Fa and Qaf. How to connect them together or with other letters? Interested to know? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 19 letters, different forms. Today, with two more letters, different forms, Fa and Qaf. Let's see letter Fa, different four forms. This is the isolated form of Fa as we studied in level 1. This is how the letter looks like if it's by itself in the word. When you write Fa in the beginning of a word, start with the shape of Fa as it is, but don't curve it because it needs to be connected to another letter after. Then add the dot on top of the letter just right here. The middle form of Fa allows to connect before and after. So it will be like the beginning form, but draw a short straight tail exactly on the line before it to help any letter to get connected. Then add the dot on top. The final form, we draw a short line before and attach it with Fa shape as isolated form. This short line will help any letter before it to get connected. Now let's move to letter Qaf, four forms. We know the isolated form of Qaf as we studied in level 1. If Qaf in the beginning of a word, it will be same as Fa, but with two dots on top, allows to connect any letter after. If Qaf in the middle of a word, it will allow to connect any letter after and before. And if Qaf at the end of a word, it allows to connect any letter before. Now let's practice how to connect and read some letters, but we'll mix letters between this lesson and the previous one. Fa, Ha, Sad. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between Fa and Ha. If Fa in the beginning of a word, it can connect to any letter after. And Ha, middle form, can connect to any letter before. So both will get connected. Second, check the relation between Ha and Sad. If Ha in the middle, it can connect to any letter after. And Sad at the end can connect to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Fahas. Fahas means to examine. Another word. Sin, Qaf, Ta. Let's connect these three letters. First, we will check the relation between Sin and Qaf. If Sin in the beginning of a word, it can connect to any letter after. And Qaf, middle form, allows to connect any letter before. So both will get connected. Second, we will check the relation between Qaf and Ta. If Qaf in the middle, it can connect to any letter after. And letter Ta at the end can connect to any letter before. So both will get connected. And this will be the final form for this word. Let's read it. Saqat. Saqat means fall or fail. It depends on the sentence. Okay, now I will show you some isolated letters and you try to form two words. And if you have any question, please write it in the comments. I'm always ready to answer. Fa, Qaaf, Ta. Try to connect these three letters to form a word. Ghayn, Fa, Ra. Try to connect these three letters to form one more word. All right, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and check out my videos for more. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.